Hi, I'm Emily with the Meridian Library District, and welcome to Library Bytes, short videos on resources to help you in your everyday life. Now, we all know that the coronavirus situation changes rapidly every day, and it can be hard to find good information. I want to show you a website put together by the state of Idaho on all of our local data for the coronavirus situation. Let's take a look. So this here is the Idaho official website for all things coronavirus. You can see that the address up top here is coronavirus.idaho.gov, or a simple Google search for Idaho coronavirus will bring you here. So you can see there's a couple different things here on the front page, including, actually this is great here, a new helpline for anybody who is feeling the pressure or difficulty, stress due to the COVID-19 pandemic. So there's definitely a helpline for anybody who may be feeling like you need somebody to talk to. You can see that there's stage 4 stay healthy guidelines. That's important to note that stage 4 at this time is statewide, but is not accurate for Ada County. Ada County is in stage 3, not stage 4. So then you can see that there's some great information here. You've got right immediately in the center of the page here the case numbers of confirmed and probable cases, new cases today, and then the rising death count. And there's also these Twitter updates embedded here on the right side. Some of these can be really interesting or really helpful links that you can take a look at. They're pretty up to date. It's really very helpful sometimes. What I like to look at is this Tableau dashboard for COVID-19 in Idaho. And that takes the data and puts it into a really nice visualized kind of graphs and things like that. So you can see statewide, here's the trajectory of our cases. You can see that they are on the up. So that's where that is. Lots of different ways to visualize the data here. So that's statewide, and there's also demographics, which can be really helpful in seeing, who is this spreading amongst, how many people are female versus male, that kind of thing. Almost 2,000 cases among healthcare workers. But you can also take a look at hotspots and local trends, which is maybe more useful if you want to see, where is it the most prevalent. We know that Ada County is the highest in the state. There's also information on related deaths, so you can see what that looks like here. So once again, Ada County is the highest, and you can see that there's a growing rate. And then again, with the deaths demographics as well, you can see that it is, for the most part, folks over 80. But again, you even have people in their 40s passing away. So it's interesting information, all of it. You can also see, if you're so inclined, the rate of people who are hospitalized with COVID-19, that kind of thing. So lots of great information here on the website that you can easily use to see exactly where things are right now in the state of the pandemic. So we go back here to the web page, the coronavirus web page. There is a list of resources. This is sort of general resources for everyone. Very nice, all in one place. So there's kind of, the helpline. There's there's all kinds of good stuff in here. Should you be tested? That kind of thing. Frequently asked questions can be helpful. What's the most important thing for Idahoans to do at this time? Should I get tested for the novel coronavirus? What does that process look like? That kind of thing. And then there's more information for resources for schools or for healthcare providers, also for long-term care providers, so your nursing home folks and other businesses. So that's your brief tour of the state of Idaho's coronavirus webpage. And be sure and check back often to find out the latest developments in the spread of COVID-19 in your community. You can consider taking the pledge to keep Idaho open and also learn more about the science and developments of this current pandemic. We'll see you next time. Thanks.